Hi there, this video's live. Very extreme proof, aggressive bike ride, rainstorm, Woking Town, weather forecast UK 23. Like this video, please a thumbs up. Time in digital is 16:42 PM in the afternoon in digital, and analog that's 4:42 PM in the afternoon, and it is Friday, 31st of March 2023. So we've had a lot of rain. It's the last day of March. Being very aggressive. This rain has been very lively, guys. As I take you on this bike ride right now, let's get on this bike, let's get going. Here we go. This is very intense, heavy rainstorm we've had this afternoon across the south and southern regions. It's been going on since this morning, to be honest. It's mental, this rain. It's absolutely mental, guys. I'm not joking. We're having fun here. There's a squirrel, you can see him. So yeah, we've had a lot of rain across the south and southern regions, 125 minutes of rain or so in towns around the village. It will vary. And yeah, there's been quite a lot of wind, basically down the south coast the last 24 hours, and southwestern parts of Cornwall and Devon, which I did predict yesterday, guys. I'm always 85% right. This is pretty intense, heavy rain, guys. This is tense, man. This is a tense bike ride. Very aggressive bike ride. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Tomorrow's weather should be drier. Maybe a bit murky and a bit cloudy, and Sunday should be sunny and cloudy, high 14 Celsius, potentially across Woking Town locally. And you're talking about a few showers next week, and it was be quite chilly with a northeasterly wind next week across Woking Town locally, towards the end of next week. But this weather will change its mind. The weather forecast is to change as usual, as they say. And that's the bad dog owner. I should have it on the lead. Caught on camera. These are the people on the canal that break the rules. So I don't know, it's a guideline, rule guideline. So there's a lot of jerks on this canal. You've got to watch it. This is quite an aggressive, tense, man. This is tense, man, this rainstorm. This is a very tense, heavy rainstorm as we drive through it on my bike on the Basingstoke Canal this afternoon. See it on the left. This is tense, man. Look at this puddle. Splash. Yeah! Yeah! Go, yay! Go, yo! Woohoo! I hope you like this video. There's the train going by. That's the train from Alton. I know the train's quite well. There's a moorhen dashing through it. Whoa, this is tense, isn't it? This is tense, man. Look at that heavy rain on the left. It's a very heavy rainstorm. It's the west of Woking Town right now. I just cycle into Woking Town, going east to Woking Town. Oh, blimey. That was a close one, wasn't it? Oh. Yeah. Look at this rainstorm. Whoa. This is very intense. It certainly has been a wet March. One of the wettest March I think we've had since 2000 and maybe 14 or something like that. Or more. I might be wrong. I'm always 85% right about the local Woking Town locally. Look at that, guys. This is tense, isn't it? This is tense, man. This is tense, man. Look at all these birds coming out of nowhere. These moorheads are such a danger along here. Whoa. This is pretty intense, isn't it? Look at this, guys. Yeah. aggressive bike ride through rainstorm. So I did predict yesterday, guys, and I was 85% right about the Wilkes working town when it goes to rainstorms. No, Joe. Oh, blimey. This is very, very, very violent, heavy rainstorm right now to the west of working town. Live right this minute, guys. No, Joe. Hope you like this video. This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo on the ITF Friday feeling every Friday, 3 to 5 PM analog. And this is like 1507 channel every Friday on the Surrey Hills Radio Station show. And this is me on last show every Sunday 9 to 12 PM with John the Matt on the Waking Radio Station show. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Sean Sign Gems. We've now arrived in St John's. Oh, blimey. There you go, guys. This is pretty intense, guys. This is tense, man. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Sean Sign Gems. Thanks for watching. And now in St John's Beach. This is crazy heavy rain right now to the west of Waking Town. I did predict it, guys. It's a rainstorm. No, Joe, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Sean Sign Gems. The evening and weather forecast on 85% right, right, Waking Town locally. Bye. This is very heavy, intense rainstorm right now. No.